We have another 2023 Amplify Orange. This one only has 580 miles. It is 88,995. This one is a 3 LT Z51. It's got the plastic front splitter, black wheels, black brake calipers, paint matched on the mirror, paint matched on the Z51 spoiler. This one is a convertible, but I actually love this car. I picked this one to film today because I like the interior. I think it looks great with it. This one does not have the painted roof in the cells. Like, let me show you. So this is obviously the paint matched. Then you have the ones that have the carbon flash painted roof in the cells. There's another Amplify Orange. Again, this one has the broken up interior, black and natural. This one is the natural dipped variety. Step back and let you take a good look at it. This one has the chrome tips, but I think this interior is really, really nice. Just a personal opinion, but I think it looks fantastic. Look at that. Look, it's so just inviting to me. It also, to me, is very Ferrari reminiscent. I know people don't want to hear that. Oh, I don't want to, it's not a Ferrari, it's a Porsche, whatever. Hey, I like both. I'm not getting judgmental one way or the other, but look at all of this Alcantara microfiber suede. I mean, dude, it's just so rich. I mean, it's all around through here. I mean, it's honestly very well done. I will say, you always have to be a little more cognizant of what you're doing in this car with your shoes or something like that. You know, what's on your clothes because of the light color. Obviously, you don't want to get it stained, but you can get, there are companies that work with cars that do interior, exterior that can coat it so that that won't be a problem. So that's something to keep in mind. I wouldn't let that stop me from getting it. I probably would go get it coated though. Again, you have your front cameras right here because it's a 3 LT. The 2s and the 3s have the cameras. And then right here, underneath, there's your button. And boom, there is the Frunk area for you. Again, I would say a couple duffel bag or a couple of backpacks, a duffel bag, vice versa, whatever. You know, plug your tender in right here. If you don't, or have the ability to drive it a lot. You know, a lot of people don't drive their Corvettes all the time. They don't make them garage queens, you know, their daily job. They prevent them from being able to drive it. I have to drive a truck. I'm in roofing. So I'm not throwing a ladder on the back of my Corvette. So for me, I daily drive a work truck, you know, an F-150. So my cars don't get a lot of miles. I can occasionally keep them on a tender, but because it's Texas, I don't really have to because I just don't drive, or I drive enough that I don't need it. But now here's something I find interesting. Let's pop the rear trunk lid right here. And here is the amount of space you have. Definitely could fit a set of golf clubs at least. Now I know they fixed this. I think it was for 24, but I find this interesting. So to close the trunk, push it down, press it, and it sucks it down, soft close. They didn't fix this till 24 on the Frunk. To close it, do you set it down and think it'll shut itself? You would think, but no, it doesn't. You have to push it down. So, hey, but they made progress. I guess they needed something to, you know, push for a 24. I don't know, but they did finally address that and it is corrected on the 24s. But I wouldn't let that stop me from buying a 23. I couldn't care less. I have a 23. I'm not about to upgrade to a 24 just for something as silly as that. I couldn't care less. But just something I thought you would maybe find interesting if you did not know. But we want to walk around this one again. I really do love this car. Very, very nice. But hey, come out to Corvette Warehouse. I mean, look at all of this. There's so much to choose from. Are you not a C8 guy? You don't like the C8 because they move the engine to the back instead of in the front? No big deal. Look at all these cars. All of this. You don't like the C7 because you can't stand them taillights. They change them. They're not round anymore. How dare they? That's cool. They have C6s right here. There's a whole lot of C6s out front. And if you want a ZR1, because, oh, the C6 is good, I need the ZR1. Well, there you go, the ZR1. We even have a C4. So we have all of the generations in here. It's a great place to come. just even to look, man. There's so many cool cars in this place. Absolutely love it. All these cars available right now at Corvette Warehouse in Dallas.